Hey, poor guy here. I'm going to do a breakfast. We're going to do a breakfast. Don and I. Don's recording for me. Thank you, Don. We're going to do a breakfast casserole skillet thing outdoors. I've never done one of these before. I don't think they're too complicated. We're going with simple ingredients today and fairly inexpensive. Yeah, you can go ahead and cut up your own potatoes and cook them all up if you want to, but we're just got a couple of already diced and cooked potatoes, some of this Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausage. We're going to cut that up into little bits and pieces. Some eggs, and we need some butter here and there, and some great value pepper jack cheese to go on top. So the plan is to do it on the my new little camp chef. You know, when you get something new, you're all excited about it. You want to use it a lot. So that's what we're going to do. What I plan to do is use this cast iron here, cook the sausage, cook the eggs, cook the potatoes, and then transfer them over to a deeper cast iron and put it in this little pizza oven that I have. That's the plan to get it all baked and cheesy and bubbly and delicious. So I haven't done a breakfast video in a while, so that's what we're going to do. Hopefully it works. First time, as usual. We're going to get all the stuff prepped, and then we'll meet you outside if you dare. Peace. Hey, here we go. We're outside. Oh, we got everything all prepped up. We got it covered with aluminum foil because it's summertime and there's flies. So I'm going to start with the potatoes. There they all are. Just your little great value potatoes. I'm sure they're probably pretty starchy, but that's okay. That's okay. Um, and we just put some of that canola spray oil down in there. Okay, so we warmed it up a little bit. I don't even have a utensil. Hold on, we'll get one here in a minute. We'll get one here in a minute. So my little camp chef, there's a little flame in there. And I'm gonna throw a couple dabs of butter in there. And then I'm going to add some seasoning here in a little bit. Yeah, let's just put one little dab of butter. That's all we need. Okay, so that aluminum foil, put back on there. We'll save that for a day down the road. Okay, we got our sausage, we got our eggs, we got our cheese. I'm going to throw some of this potato slayer on there. I don't know if you've seen this before, but it actually is very good for potatoes. It's quite tasty. It's a blend of herbs and spices, don't you know? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put on this glove because that's getting a little warm still. So you want to, we'll stand here for 15, 20 minutes and watch these potatoes cook. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Just kidding. We're going to cook up these potatoes. We're going to do things in sections. So I'm going to take these potatoes when they're done. I'm going to throw them in there. That's the ultimate baking pan that we will use. See that fly? See, he's trying to get into our food, but he can't. And there's another one right there. We're going to do boop, and then I'll do the sausage, boop, and then I'll do the eggs, boop, and then we'll sprinkle in cheese, mix it all up, and bake it all up. We'll see how it goes. It sounds good in theory. Okay, but we'll see. We'll see how things go. There's a dog. There's a dog. Yeah. All right, we'll be back here when these potatoes cook up, and we'll get on to our sausage. Peace. Here's the sausage. It's that Jimmy Jean. It's fully cooked. It is very good. Let's put that in there. I went ahead and moved the potatoes over. I figured, okay, let's let them crisp up a little bit in here while I'm cooking the sausage. And the sausage will cook up. I mean, you're just browning it, basically, warming it up. And, oh, hey, get away from there, please. Thank you. Curious little buggers. I'm going to go ahead and add my potato slayer to this. I always kind of add it towards the end because I don't want it to burn. Yeah, that's good stuff. And I might go ahead and just add another dab of butter to help brown these up a little bit. Because I got some butter, I might as well use it. Potato slayer. Very good, very good. Or you can just add whatever you want, or add nothing. So we had quite a storm roll through here this morning. About 3:30. Woo! Things were happening here. Things were happening. We got lucky. We didn't lose any power. DirecTV for a little while, a little bit of internet, but other than that, we had no damage. There were some places that had quite a bit of damage. A lot of flooding up towards Oklahoma City. You know, poor guy always talks about the weather. I don't think, oh, it's fun to talk about the weather. It's a common interest. Everybody likes to talk about the weather. If you don't like to talk about the weather, I mean, what the heck, you know? Smelling good, looking good. So this little Camp Chef, Don bought me this for Father's Day. I love this thing. It opens up a lot of possibilities. As you can see, that sausage is cooking nicely. Let's lower that flame a little bit. Fluffy, get away from that spatula, please. Yeah, we'll lower that a little bit. Those potatoes are looking good. The next step is going to be the eggs. Okay, we're getting there. So you got fully cooked potatoes out of a can. They're going to be a little bit more starchy. And you can't overwork them because they'll just break up and you'll have mashed potatoes. So we've been trying to let those go a little bit. All right. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this sausage into here. Stand back, doggies. This is hot oil, please. Thank you. Let's save some of this.
Fluffy.
Fluffy, please. Yes, doggies. I know they all want a little snack, but we got hot oil here. And we don't want to injure anybody. No, we don't. No, we don't. That's a hot rod. Oh, it's a hot rod pickup truck. Okay, look at that. Okay. We're cooking. Okay, give me a chance to get all ready to go, and we'll cook the eggs, and we'll be right back. Peace. All right, we wanted to show you what that looked like because Don and I were just sitting here smelling it and looking at it and thinking, that already looks really good. I'm pausing for a little bit because this cast iron pan right here that I'm going to cook the eggs in is very, very hot. And we don't want to just throw eggs in there. It'll just ruin them. So we're just basically going to whip them around in there anyway. They're scrambled per se. And then we'll add those on, get them all mixed up, add the cheese, and go to our next step. So do you want to see me cook eggs? I don't know. Probably not. I'll cook the eggs and show you what we look like and go to that next step. I'm trying to keep them a little bit shorter. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Okay. We'll be back here in a little bit. There's my eggs. They cooked up nicely. Just scrambled eggs. Let's go ahead and pop these in here. I like that little, that's a pan and a lid. Comes in handy, especially when there's flies, keeping things hot. Well, here, let's see if we can show this. I'm just, sorry about the noise. Scraping eggs in there. I got both burners are turned off right now. So we're going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit. Hopefully you don't spill anything on the dog. Oh yeah. Look at that fly. Pesky little bugger. All right, let's grab some cheese. Oh, the flies are here. They've woken up. They've smelled it. All right, some pepper jack. Yeah, we're going to use all of it. Remember the one guy that got all mad because I put the cheese on top of the pizza?
Yeah.
That was fun. All right, so here's the plan. Let me move this over and show you what we're going to do next. Let's set that over there. And we'll go ahead and turn on this burner. This is how we do it here. There's little holes here. Yeah, there's no igniter on this, so just turn the gas on, and there you go. So you can get that sucker going really good. And there's a little regulator right here. Cut off the oxygen to it. See? Cut off the oxygen, you got the yellow flame. Open it up, you got your blue flame. Let's turn that down. And let's grab my little pizza oven. It's right here. I haven't used this too many times. This was a gift from Zach and Brittany a ways back. It will fit there. So we're hoping to do just kind of a little oven effect to help this get melty and all incorporated together. Okay. And I already checked, it will fit in there, so it fits in there nicely. So I don't know how long, but we'll go ahead and keep checking it here periodically, and we'll bring it in the house and show you what it looks like, and we'll give it a try. I'm excited about this. It really looks good. It smells delicious. So that's what we got. Okay, come on back. Peace. All right, there it is. It actually is still sizzling, so I put it in that little pizza oven. It worked. I mean, it got it melty, and I think the thing got up to about 250 degrees. The front's open, so it's not, you know, not going to get real hot in there like it would like in your oven if you had it on broil or anything like that. So it smells fantastic. It looks really good. Dawn and I are going to try this, and then we'll wake up the kids, maybe. Can you get it, sweetheart?
Yeah. I think.
Get that sausage.
I want to get that with potato.
So, oh yeah, that's cheesy. So, yeah. Oh, the cheese. Pepper jack. Cheers, everybody. Mmm. Mmm. They're hot. Mmm. That's right on the money. That pepper jack's good on there.
Mm-hmm. Really good with some salsa on top too.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's a breakfast skillet. You add whatever you want. Peppers, onions, bacon, ham, cheese, eggs, potatoes, whatever you want to do. That's freaking delicious. And I was worried that it wasn't going to be enough. There's a lot of food there. All right. This was fun to do. Yeah, try it yourself if you want to.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Pepper jack adds that little bit of spice to it also. Okay. Well, that's a PoorGuy video for you. Did a breakfast. Haven't done one in a while, so we're excited to eat it. Everybody have a great week. Peace.